Hey friends, today I'm back with another Pic-Time video. I'm going to go over two incredible features that I think you'll enjoy learning about. Pic-Time has been our go-to photo and video delivery system for a while now, and if you haven't checked out my previous video on how we deliver our photos and videos, make sure to check that out. Today's video is sponsored by Pic-Time, but before we go any further, my name is Jonah August. I'm a wedding filmmaker based in Vancouver, Canada, and I'm happy that you're here. Now, the first of two features that I want to talk about is hybrid storytelling. A photo can make you feel 1,000 different ways from just a single still image, while video can evoke such deep emotions and making you believe that you're living in that exact moment. With Pic-Time's seamless layout, both mediums can be clearly experienced, leaving your clients in awe. Now, you don't necessarily have to be both a photographer and videographer to utilize this feature. If you're predominantly a photographer, there are a couple options if you don't have high quality video to integrate into your galleries. Maybe you just take clips on your phone throughout the day. This is an easy way to include some BTS videos into your gallery. Or maybe you shoot Super 8 or camcorder video. You could integrate some of that to elevate your galleries. There's so many different video options that you could start adding. If you're predominantly a videographer and you want to add some extra layers to your gallery, you can make a gallery that includes some shorter clips throughout the day. You can make some reels or TikTok formatted videos and add some screen grabs throughout it as well. These are just some simple ideas that you can start doing to bring your clients on a journey while they're reliving their wedding day. Let me show you an example of integrating videos among your photo gallery. Here are a bunch of 35mm shots with some videos scattered throughout. I have a video here. Another one down here. In the last couple of years, there's been a rise of wedding content creators. If you're one of them, I believe that this hybrid storytelling gallery layout is a great option for you. Hybrid storytelling is a great entry point for creatives that want to explore showcasing and delivering more than what they usually do. It can be intimidating in the beginning once you start adding in photos and videos as potential services to your clients. With this delivery method, it takes a fear out of the way and helps you step out and share what you love to create. As a portfolio piece, new potential clients can view your whole galleries with the integrated clips and have confidence to book you in for video deliverables as well. The trend the last 5 years has favored video content, as you're probably already aware, with the rise of TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. To not miss out on this wave that's already starting to pass by, getting on that video content is super crucial. And from what you've seen, it definitely elevates your galleries, enhances the journey that your clients are taking as they relive their day. This is one of the greatest things that Pic-Time has added to their delivery services. The second feature that I want to talk about is less about giving more, but actually reducing what vendors can see and download. This isn't a negative thing though. This has great positive impact for networking and only having the videos you want to be shared seen by the right people. Now, why would you want to limit what specific vendors have access to? Why not just send them the whole gallery and let them pick and choose? Well, you can do that, but if you tailor content that's useful for each vendor, it gives you full access to only give them the best of the content that's related to their output. For example, for a florist, you would make a vendor gallery that includes only photos with florals. That's what they're looking for anyway, so why not make it easier for them? Let's take a closer look at this vendors feature. Navigate to the vendors tab here and click on invite vendors. This will open up all the vendors that you have in your system, and you can choose the specific vendor type here from wedding planners onward. You can easily add new vendors by typing in their business name, the type of vendor they are, the contact person name, their email, website, Instagram. Now there's a really great addition to this called vendor terms. If you click the question icon here, it gives you a little memo that vendors must accept the terms if they want access to the gallery. These terms can be customized to your liking, or you can choose the default vendor terms. This is what the default terms look like. It clearly lays out what they can and cannot do with your images. They have to agree to tag you on social media and give you credit on their website. Furthermore, it states their limitations regarding sharing, printing, and altering. Moving on to photo selection now, there are a few ways to go about it. You can let AI choose for you, which is an amazing option to have. It may not work for all vendors, but it is a convenient way to narrow it down. For example, you can let AI choose all the photos except ones that include faces. Generally, I think you'll choose the manual option to hand select the exact photos you want to be accessed. If you need to gather information from a specific vendor, you can use this vendor registration link and send it over. Okay, so there's usually a big team involved in putting on a great wedding, and everyone will want to be tagged in one form or another. The Copy Credits tab allows you to add vendors' handles in, giving credit to where credit is due. Alright friends, so there's my video about 2 great features that Pic-Time offers. There's so many more great features that they offer as well. If you'd like to learn more and try out Pic-Time for yourself, click the link in the description. I've linked them with a bunch of other resources. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.